Oh, we got another doozy here for you. I mean, he's a typical frauditor, but you're going to enjoy it. He's going to get his ass thrown to the ground and put in handcuffs, so let's check it out.
It's occupied times 2. Right, Officer Whines, Bayville Police. Where you coming from, buddy? Can't see your license plate or anything. Oh, is that where you live? Okay. Do you have your driver's license, sir?
My driver's license is important.
It's not important?
No.
Can I see your hands?
Yeah.
Oh, here we go again with the driver's license. I think Bigfoot has one too. I'm sure he wouldn't be this much of a prick.
You put it in park?
Yeah, it's in park.
Alright, what's up?
Because I'm using my personal property on personal transportation. If you would like me to pull up the case numbers on my phone.
No, I'd like you to get your driver's license like I asked you, and I'm not going to ask you again. Get your driver's license out.
Sir, if you would like, call your supervisor, because this is the Supreme Court rulings.
Okay.
With case numbers involved.
That's unnecessary.
That is 100% necessary.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Because the Supreme Court ruled that I am allowed and deemed to use my personal property with...
Yep, here we go. Another YouTube lawyer, supervisor.
Because I am using personal property.
Hand me the driver's license.
What does it matter?
Hand me the driver's license.
I'm not handing it to you. You can call your supervisor.
I'm not calling my supervisor.
Oh, this guy's a crybaby, I swear.
Supervisor.
Then you can call them.
Okay, come here. Step out of the car. Step out of the car, I'm going to make you get out of the car. Stop reaching for stuff.
I'm not reaching for stuff. I went to unbuckle. Is your radio?
Get out of the car.
Hold on. Video record right now. Pull your phone out.
Get out of the car.
Get
out of the car.
And video record. Oh, my fucking shoulder! You just dislocated it. You know. You have better reason than what? You want to lose your fucking. Stop! You seriously dislocated my shoulder. Take me to the
driver.
Oh! Video record right now.
I got you here.
Yeah, start filming, record.
I'm going to ask you again.
You have no right. I'm not being this.
Okay,
dude,
listen.
I gotta get out. Ow! Stop.
Here,
You got my shoulder dislocated.
Here,
you have my shoulder dislocated. My paperwork is...
Oh yeah, here we go. Broken arm, broken shoulder. Always a medical condition.
It's just dislocated.
I don't want to hurt you. I don't want to hurt you.
It's just dislocated. You motherfucker just dislocated my shoulder.
You need to relax.
You just dislocated my shoulder.
Do you need a squad?
Yeah!
Okay.
You fucking asshole! You just dislocated my
Let's
shoulder!
get him out of the road.
With no right! You wanna fucking lose your fucking police license? You're about to! You're about to! Get your fucking squadron leader out here like I asked!
Let's get a supervisor.
Get your video recorder on right the fuck now!
We're gonna help you get up. Put your feet right in front of mine so we can help you get up.
You only use my left.
I will. Listen, put both feet here so you can use it as a...
Don't touch my leg. Don't touch my
leg. I'm up. You ready?
It fucking hurts.
Ready?
No, grab underneath my please grab underneath the arm. Push, there you go.
Ready?
Ow. Ah.
In the car. I don't know what you have in there.
God
you should have
damn
got out when I told you to get out.
I was getting out.
No, you weren't.
You ripped me out, and I had her getting on video camera.
You weren't getting
you
out.
asshole.
Okay.
You fucking asshole.
Hey, listen. Don't raise your voice anymore.
He's
Listen, you're in cuffs.
I'm in a lot of pain.
I understand. We'll go get you a squad.
Don't rip on the right arm. Do you feel it? You see that? You feel that? Yeah, it's just okay.
Hey, search him. I'll talk to him.
Yeah.
If that's what you
You
want.
feel that?
Okay, there's a squad coming. What's his deal? Is he suspended or what?
He was reaching to unbuckle.
Okay, I don't know what he was doing. And then he didn't want to get out of the car, so I had to pull him out of the car. Okay?
No, yeah, I
He was
understand.
telling me all kind of stuff,
But
talking about he doesn't have to show me his driver's license. His
I know
license
it
plates
is.
is irrelevant. Okay? That's not what you do. And you're not going to be reaching in the car. You're not going to be
But he
reaching.
was unbuckling. You
Okay.
told him to get out. He was unbuckling when you told him to get out.
Then I
you
told
put
him to get out, and he wouldn't get out.
No, he was
Okay.
unbuckling.
Hey, that's all right. I'm not going to argue with you, okay?
I saw that.
Okay, that's fine. That's
when,
fine.
When
Do you have
he
your
was
driver?
unbuckling. When he was unbuckling, you pulled him out.
He was unbuckling.
He was.
And then he wouldn't get out of the car.